Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to accept interac transfer with cibc bank. Let's get into the video. So let's say someone send you money through your cibc interact account, that is your email address. So we're simply going to show you guys step by step on how to receive that, on how to deposit that money into your cibc account. So the first thing is that you simply need to click on your email. So this is a mail here, you click on it. After which you click on what? cibc. Once you're there, you can simply choose the browser in which you want to use to continue with. So I'm going to choose Chrome. So after that, how could you like to complete your interac e-transfer? So we are going to click here. You are going to see the cibc mobile banking app. You have a cibc online banking. So we are going to choose the cibc mobile banking app. Click on what? Continue. So it's going to take us to the app. So after which you simply need to insert your password. So after inserting your password, you are going to say interac e-transfer. You will receive a transfer from your contact. So this, you see the name of the person and the amount. So after which you click on what? Accept. So after that, you simply need to what? To insert the security question. So insert it. If you don't see the security question, you simply need to ask the person who sent you the money. After which you simply need to click on what? Deposit to. So your savings. So after that you click on what? Continue. So after which you are going to say confirm this information is correct, the person's name and the amount and where you want to deposit it. So you simply click on what? Deposit again. So as you can see, we just successfully deposited this money into our online banking. As you can see, that's it here. This is a confirmation message. So we can go click on my account. So we are going to verify. So we are going to click on my account. So as you can see, this is the money here. It's our savings account. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.